Hey everyone, Scott with G-Reviews today to replace the rear diff fluid on the Xmaxx. Today is basically going to be a continuation from the last video. So we'll basically just start with the truck completely apart. If you need to see the steps on how to take it apart, go watch my center differential fluid change video. But this video is going to start from basically just having the diff out, putting the fluid in. Stay tuned. Alright, so all I just did is I just took the 4 screws out of the rear diff. Again, this is the rear differential of the Xmaxx. You got this nice seal here. Again, there's really not a whole lot of fluid in here. There should be more in my opinion. But what we're going to do is we'll try to pour whatever fluid is in here out and put the 50,000 weight fluid in. So again, I'm not really messing with anything. I'm not taking anything out. I'm just going to pour it out and then pour the 50,000 weight fluid in. Okay, so this is the kit that I bought from my local hobby shop. Support local hobby shops. It has the 10,000, 30,000, and 50,000 weight diff fluid in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 50,000 in the rear one, and we'll see what I do with the front one. Maybe 30, maybe 10. I know the 10 is a stock one. I might want to put some more in the front end, but we will see. So, but for now, I'm gonna put the 50 in the back. All right, guys. So I just went ahead and filled up the rear diff with the 50,000 weight fluid, and it is some thick stuff. Obviously it's not as thick as the the 20 million weight, but anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that seal is good. Put the top back on to the rear diff. All right, should be good. Put the screws back in. We don't want to tighten them down yet until we have all of the screws in there. And the bits that I'm using for this, they're not some special speed bit or anything like that. They're actually just part of the Traxxas toolkit. I'm just using my my power drills here. They're not the quick style, they just have the chuck, but you know what, they're working. I didn't have to buy anything specific. If you have the Traxxas toolkit, you can put them in your power drills. Okay, these are plastic. That's the thing. The center differential, that cup is actually aluminum. This is still plastic. So that's the fluid change on the rear diff. We just did the fluid change on the center diff. That's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to go ahead and basically put everything back together. If you need a video on how to put everything back together, I can certainly do that, but I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back together for now. Just see if, see what's good, what's not. Make sure that everything is working properly in the things that I just did. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and just put new fluid in the front differential as well, just to make sure that that one is working properly. But other than that, guys, Scott with G-Reviews, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big like and a big thumbs up if you liked the content. For more great content, please join us next time on G-Reviews when we do the good old shugu and drywall tape on the Xmaxx body. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.